Here's a quick way to trim a long video file into a shorter clip without any loss in quality or desyncing audio. Take a video file. Here's one of my 5-minute long MP4 gaming videos from NVIDIA Shadowplay. Open it in the program. You can now play the video with sound right in the program. Move to where you want the new clip to start and click A, then jump to where you want the new clip to end and click B. Then click the Save Video button at the top and pick a place to save the new clip. If you're in the same directory as the old clip, it should append edit to the clip's file name, but double check so you don't accidentally overwrite the original file. That's it in real time. 5-minute long video file that took up almost 2 gigabytes cut down into a few second long clip that's only a few hundred megabytes in size.
Yeah, boy!
Once I check the clip looks good and sounds right, I delete the original to save space. This awesome tool is the open source program Avidemux. Yes, that's how you pronounce it. And you can get it from any of the links at avidemux.org. I have Windows 64-bit, so that's the one I downloaded. If you're not sure which version of Windows you have, just start with 64-bit, and if it doesn't work, download 32-bit. The latest version is 2.8.1, but that gave me 2 issues. First, audio was out of sync with the video in playback.
Yeah, boy!
Second, the A and B markers wouldn't align exactly where I wanted them to go. If it works for you, keep it. But if you have the same issues as me, do what I did and switch to an older version. You can find them in the SourceForge link on the download page under the Avidemux folder. And yes, you can have multiple versions of Avidemux on the same computer and run whichever version you want. I went all the way back to version 2.7.5 because that worked best for me. Either way, once you have it downloaded and installed, run it and drag your video into the big empty space or navigate to it from the File Open menu at the top. If the program opens in a window and you enlarge it to full screen, but the video doesn't enlarge, you can shrink it and enlarge it again to fill the window. You can keep the default settings on the left where everything is set to copy except for output format, which should be MP4 Muxer. Under Edit, click Save Current Settings as Default so you don't need to change them for the next time you want to trim a video. The only preferences I changed were under Display, where I set it to use DXVA2 video display, which is DirectX video acceleration, and I checked the box for decode video using DXVA2 under the HWXL, which is hardware acceleration, because I'm on a Windows PC and I have a dedicated video card. Here are the rest of my preferences, but these are all the original defaults. If you have a long video or you're doing something else with this program, you can change the prioritization under threading or do it while a video clip is saving because this will pop up in a window. It's super fast because it's not re-encoding the video or the sound. And if you have 2 audio tracks in the original video, like I have where Shadowplay is set to record 2 audio tracks, one for the game and one for my mic, then Avidemux retains both audio tracks in the new clip.
Wow!
I also like to add this to the right-click Open With menu by selecting Choose Another Program and navigating to avidemux.exe. You only need to do this once and then you have the option in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy editing.
Yeah, boy! Wow!